Okay, so we are at the Hamburg Hauptbahnhof and going to Berlin, which will take about an hour 15 minutes or 2 hours, so pretty easy to find. But on the tickets they put there 11. In fact, 11 means B, train going off. This train actually goes all the way to Munich, but we're gonna stop halfway and disembark at the Berlin Hauptbahnhof, and then from there we're going to Melia Hotel, and then we're going to spend 2 days in Berlin, so pretty cool. Okay, so we are on the train on the Bahnhof, the I-603 in Martigny, and it's pretty huge space. See how much leg room there is. Pretty cool. And there's a lot of rooms, not even bigger than on the aeroplane, so that's pretty cool. And we are in the first class cabin supposedly, so that's nice. Alright, so we have reached Berlin Hauptbahnhof and we're going to the taxi stand right now. It's really crowded. So the taxis are there, so we're going to the taxi, going to Melia Hotel. Alright, so right now we are in Berlin and staying at the Melia Berlin Friedrichstraße. A lot of good reviews on this hotel. So checking out the room, toilet with a bathtub. This is the standard room, so it looks pretty good. One thing is that they do not have a kettle for boiling water, but other than that, looks pretty alright. They do give you the option to upgrade the rooms if you want to. And this is the view, not much of a view. Haus der Schweiz, the Switzerland house. Anti-Marika. Bye. Heavy traffic. This is Friedrichstraße that goes all the way down that direction. But we are now at Unter den Linden. Hugo Boss, the shopping streets are here. The Western Grand is here. Sorry. All the Rolex, the Lolex. Okay. Where? Massimo Dutti?
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes.
Okay, I'm running out of battery, but I got my new Porsche jockey cap. It's pretty cool. It's €2, so I bought it from the Volkswagen shop. It's starting to rain right now.
But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna
All of shops here, and a lot of good recommendations for this area. Probably looking for some branded stuff. They got kids stuff and Bayern Munich shop and Hertha Berlin shop as well, so we can check it out. You can see the whole row of shops. Alright, so we are at Mall of Berlin at the Zweiten food court, having some Japanese mixed with Vietnamese foods or something like that. So we have like a Japanese style kind of thing, that belt that makes you get a headache. So yeah, pretty cool. This is the Jewish Holocaust cemetery. See the number of graves. Okay, so we are now in Berlin on Friedrichstraße. So we are nearly fell down, but we are going to go across the shopping areas. I'm a bit close, but you can see the shopping areas down there. Super dry and stuff. So, yep, first time in Berlin. I think it's gonna be quite swaggy. Beautiful, beautiful streets. You can see. If you're wondering what Friedrichstraße looks like, here's a look. Friedrichstraße. So we are going into Superdry right now, and let's go. Alright, so we are in Madame Tussauds. So that's Konrad Adenauer and John F. Kennedy. Itty come home, Itty come home, Itty come home, Itty come home. Bitte. Moment bitte. Darf Maul. It's Darth Maul and Obi-Wan Kenobi. And we have huh?